Critical thinking is the process of evaluating information and arguments, making reasoned judgments that are well thought out. It involves being able to think in a structured way, using logic and reasoning. This means analyzing information, questioning the validity of sources, and considering different viewpoints before making a decision or forming an opinion. The importance of critical thinking can't be overstated. In an academic setting, it allows students to engage deeply with content, understand different perspectives, and craft well-reasoned arguments. But its value extends beyond the classroom. In everyday life, critical thinking skills can help individuals make better decisions, solve problems more effectively, and navigate the vast amount of information that bombards us daily. One of the key components of critical thinking is the ability to question assumptions. Assumptions are beliefs that are taken for granted, and questioning them involves examining whether they are accurate and supported by evidence. This can be challenging, as assumptions often feel like natural truths. However, by challenging these assumptions, critical thinkers can prevent errors in reasoning and make better informed decisions. Another crucial element is the ability to identify biases, both in oneself and in others. Bias can distort thinking and decision-making, leading to partial conclusions and potentially unfair outcomes. Critical thinkers strive to recognize their own biases and the biases present in the sources of their information. This awareness allows them to consider issues more objectively and to recognize when biases might be influencing others' opinions or behaviors. Evidence is also central to critical thinking. Critical thinkers rely on evidence rather than conjecture or personal preference. They evaluate the strength and relevance of the evidence when considering claims or making arguments. This means looking at the quality of the evidence, its source, and how it fits with other known information. Evidence-based thinking helps to ensure that conclusions are grounded in reality and not just opinion. Furthermore, critical thinking involves synthesizing information. This means bringing together different pieces of information, identifying relationships among them, and constructing a coherent understanding or argument. This synthesis can often lead to new insights or solutions to problems that might not be obvious when considering pieces of information in isolation. The process of critical thinking is not always easy or straightforward. It requires patience, open-mindedness, and a willingness to explore complex issues deeply. It also involves a commitment to ongoing learning and self-improvement. For instance, a critical thinker in an academic environment must constantly engage with new theories, research, and debates, applying critical thinking skills to assess and integrate new information. To foster critical thinking, educators and leaders can create environments that encourage questioning and open dialogue. This includes promoting diverse perspectives and creating safe spaces for discussion, where individuals feel comfortable voicing their thoughts and challenging the ideas of others. Such environments can enhance critical thinking skills by exposing individuals to a range of viewpoints and encouraging them to articulate and defend their own positions. If you're a university student, I recommend reading the article I've left in the pinned comment, which could help you with your studies, or writing an essay on this topic. You might also want to check out the videos on screen now that explore related concepts in education.